But in Orangeburg, South Carolina, 1968, there was one place that really did not respect the Supreme Court ruling, and that was the Orangeburg All-Star Bowling Alley. The All-Star Bowling Alley was located midway between the campuses of South Carolina State and Claflin University. And students going into the downtown area to shop in the stores would pass by the Orangeburg Bowling Alley. But if they wanted to bowl, they couldn't go into that establishment. There was a sign at the front of that property that said "white only."